Welcome in a universe community. My name is Sanchita Pandey and our topic for today is reborn every morning for what? Let me explain. Now, you know that it is said that you are reborn every morning, and this is so true. Every morning when you get up, it is like a rebirth. But for what? This rebirth gives you an opportunity to fine tune your vibrations, to work on your momentum of receiving your desires. You have asked the universe once, ask anything that you desire, because it is already there vibrationally. So just ask whatever you feel like asking, and ask once. That's it. You just have to ask once and forget about it. By forget about it, I mean let it go. Let it go. Now don't cling to what you have asked, because every time you think about it, you will focus on the fact that it is not there still. It has not arrived. You are still expecting it. A better thing to do is to ask once and now only expect that it is arriving. It is just coming into your life, or better still, think that it is already there. Feel like it is there. What will you do when it is there? What are the experiences you will have when it is there? Think of those things. You dream in your dream, but you can always imagine when you are awake. So this rebirth in the morning gives you an opportunity to create dreams in your imagination. It gives you an opportunity to fine-tune your vibrations about your desires. And what does worry do to you? It corrodes you from inside. It brings in fear in your life, and it doesn't serve you at all. So just do away with negative emotions of fear and worry whenever you think about your desires. And you are not alone in this journey, because when you are able to fine tune your vibrations, when you raise your vibrations by right thoughts, right actions, right words, right imagination, letting go your whatever you have asked, you are clear about what you have asked. There is lot of clarity and you are expecting it in your life. You feel happy, not worried when you think about your desires. And this kind of vibration will bring it faster towards you. You'll manifest your desires. They are already there. You will be able to tune in to the vibrational nature of your desire, and then you will be able to see your desires, touch your desires, and feel your desires, experience your desires. That is how it works. You're not alone in this journey, because when you fine tune your vibrations, you'll get messages from the universe in terms of number synchronicity, signs from the universe, conversations from people, something you dream about. Somebody talks about something you are dreaming about. You see a notice board. So many ways of communication through the universe. But because you are thinking in your imagination and nobody else knows about it, you will understand that this is a sign from the universe, a direct sign from the universe, because you have not told it to anybody. But this is such a direct sign, and so who knows? Other than you, only the universe, because the universe is also co-creating with you. But it can only hand over your desires to you when you are fine-tuned to the right vibration. So, Align yourself with the right vibration, and there should be no excuses as to why you are aligning with lower vibrations. Oh, this person came to me and this person was complaining, and so I started complaining. You must be aware all the time. Every present moment, every moment is a now moment. The next moment will also be now. Then the next moment will be now. So many nows create your future. So many nows create your life, your dream life. So you just have to take care of this now. If you don't worry about the future, forget the past, and you are just concentrated in the now, being happy, joyful, satisfied, expecting your desires to come to you, feeling positive about your desires, enjoying this journey, learning as you are going through this journey. Keep learning. What will happen is your desires will come to you faster than you can imagine. And nothing is impossible. Just be clear with what you want. Expect it to come. And as you are expecting it to come, you don't have to ask again and again. You don't have to think about your desires again and again. Just imagine the outcome. What are the things you will do? How will you enjoy? All that. Not exactly about what you have asked. Because every time you will think about what you have asked, means you are still standing here, right in the beginning. You have not moved on. You have not walked on. And don't worry about how was the day today. Just take care of this present moment. In this present moment, resolve to be happy. Whatever the outside circumstances, it does not matter. Make a choice to be happy. Make a choice to be joyful. Your thoughts are in your control. Think. Focus on those things which make you happy. That's it. This is not difficult. Don't focus on those aspects which make you sad, which make you worried, which make you fearful. So that is why I say don't give excuses that you have aligned with a lower vibration by watching negative news, by participating in negative conversations, by overhearing negative things, or by continuing to sit in a negative vibrational environment. So you always have a choice to get out of low vibrational zone. Make a choice, take a decision, and take action to do that. Because every time you take such an action and align yourself with higher vibration in the form of your thought, higher vibration in the form of your actions, higher vibration in the form of how you are imagining. Worry is also imagination, but it is the wrong use of imagination. So how are you imagining? They should be positive, beautiful imagination. And the words you are using, what are you speaking? Take care of that. Words are spells. Speak nice things about yourself, about what you see around you, and see how you manifest your desires. And how will you know that they are very near? You'll get signs from the universe, and then that gut feeling, I'm happy all the time, I know it is coming to me. Things will start coming easy to you. You will just say something and there it is, for little things. First, your manifestations will start for little things that you ask, and then you'll start receiving the bigger things. Because for the universe, nothing is small or big. It is only such for you. For the universe, what you feel as impossible is like, give this to her, give this to him. Come on, take it if you are vibrating at the same level of your desire. And new desires will also be formed. This is not one desire that you are having. Once you manifest your desire, you will want more, and there's nothing wrong with wanting more. It is not wanting more. It is like playing with the universe, because you know it is so generous. And once you raise your vibrations and you stay there in that vibrational mode, then every time you think of something, oh, this is so beautiful, and it is there in your life. This is wonderful, and it is there in your life. So that is why 1% of the population is able to live a really abundant and rich life. Even if you distribute this whole wealth, well-being, abundance again equally among the entire population of the world, this 1% will again attract it towards themselves by the way they think, by the way they act. They are aligned with the natural laws of the universe. And here you are with the knowledge. So what's stopping you? Once you know that all you have to do is to align with the natural laws of the universe, this is all you have to do. So, in short, ask once. Be clear about what you want. Now expect it in your life. Think joyful thoughts about it. Imagine joyful thoughts. And don't ask again and again, because now after asking you have moved forward. Let it go, because you know it must come to you. And then the next step is to receive and be in gratitude when you receive it. Say thank you that you gave it to me. This is so beautiful. What a beautiful feeling it is. What a beautiful feeling. And suppose your day was really good today, then tomorrow should be better. It is easier to align yourself with a higher vibration. And suppose today did not go well, then you again have an opportunity to pray and sleep and then get up and align, tune in to a new vibration, and that is why you will be reborn again. You will be reborn again in the morning tomorrow. Take care of this beautiful opportunity, this rebirth, because this is not only a rebirth in your physical form, it is a rebirth as far as new thoughts, new actions, new ways of being, new ways of living your life, new ways of using the power of words is concerned. You will light up the universe by your very existence, and you are going to inspire so many others too. This is all in this video. Thank you so much, Inner Universe community. I give you my gratitude. The very fact you are here with me, it feels so wonderful. I thank each one of you for being here. Thank you so much. I am your mentor and spiritual guide, Sanchita Pandey, and my wish for you is, I love you and I wish lot of abundance, peace, love, prosperity and well-being in your life. Remember to keep smiling, and when you go off to sleep today, imagine beautiful thoughts so that you get up already in a high vibration tomorrow. And then with your thoughts, actions and words, just stay there in that mode, that higher vibrational mode throughout the day. Thank you. Namaste.